What's going on, everyone? In front of me, I've got the Guts ribbed complete seats. Now, if you're looking for a bolt-on seat that's ready for action, this is exactly what you want. Not only that, it's going to give you more grip, better durability, and you're getting the great fit and finish that Guts is known for. Now, Greg's Ultra Trick seats has been around for a long time, and they have built up their reputation of offering some of the best seats in the business. Their seat covers are super easy to install. They've got tons of grip and they're super durable, but this complete seat gives it another step forward. You're getting a whole new base, foam, and their famous seat cover. This is a killer setup. Now, we've got to start off with talking about the construction of this seat. With this seat base right here, you're getting a high quality plastic seat base that's going to match your OEM seat base perfectly. This is going to make it so your install goes without any snags. Now, the next thing we've got is the foam. Now, this foam that we've got in the seats that we're offering is the stock feel and density, so it's not going to be any softer or firmer than what you've got on your bike already, and it's also the stock height. Now, a special note on this foam, for those of you owners of the newer gen Yamahas, those 23 and newer 450s, you know that your stock seat has a round profile on the top that is less than kind to your backside. Now, we do have these Guts seats in two different options for you. You do have the standard, which has got that round profile if that's what you're into, but then we've also got the wide. Now, the wide is no wider overall, but the top is flat. And that is huge. That's going to be a go-to mod for your first modification for better fit and feel out on the track on your Yamaha. Then last, we've got to talk about this seat cover. Now, these seat covers are the Guts original material, so these are super grippy. They've got the big diamond pattern, and these ribs really help hold you in place. Now, I will tell you another thing on these seat covers. When you buy these complete seats for the Yamahas, you're also getting the sub seat cover ready to install. So you're not getting a complete sub seat, but you are getting this cover. It's got a hole in it that's ready for where your bolt's gonna go through, as well as you've got this stretchier material that's along the bottom edge of these. This is gonna make it easy to install, but also make it so that you don't have to trim any excess seat cover off once you're done. Again, if you're looking for a great bolt-on complete seat that's going to give you more grip, more durability, and great looks, you've got to pick up your Guts ribbed complete seat. Get yours by going to the link below, and as always, if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent, thanks so much for watching.